In this video, I'm going to provide another update on my journey from 0 to 10K per month with a brand new YouTube channel. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. All right, so this is week 4 update. I've been doing this for about a month, and let me just give you a little background, a little bit of an overview. What I'm doing is I'm updating you in 2 different ways for the next year, so 52 weeks, on how you could take a channel from 0 to 10K per month. Now, in the first video, I kind of just set everything up. I talked about why I'm doing it, and really the why I'm doing it is to help you, to show you that anybody can go from 0 to 10K per month with a brand new YouTube channel. I'm not showing my face currently. I'll probably do that eventually, but this is really to help you get started. A lot of people are looking for accountability buddies. A lot of people are looking for inspiration and motivation, and hopefully this series is serving that for you. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to talk about the traffic. I'm going to talk about what I've been doing over the week to get more traffic, the number of email subscribers I have, really everything that you want to know. Now, if you want an inside look behind the scenes, check out my Discord. Now, with the Discord, it's $9.99 per month, but I'm not doing that to use that to make money to contribute to the 10K per month. What I'm doing is simply doing that to keep the riffraff out. Oftentimes, if, for example, on some of my other videos, I showed you exactly what I was doing, people will go in and they'll steal it and just do the exact same thing. So the $9.99 is really for a community of private individuals that are looking to communicate with each other and, provide accountability. I also show exactly what I'm doing. I talk about the lead magnet that I created. I talk about really anything. I create different little vlog style pieces of content to reveal as much as possible with creating this content. But in this video, let's go ahead and talk about what I've done so that, if you're on the fence about starting a YouTube channel, this is the perfect opportunity. Right now, YouTube Shorts is going to be your vehicle, in my opinion, your vehicle to get where you want to go as fast as possible. And I'll reveal that in this video. But again, the purpose of these vlogs, I guess they're vlogs, the purpose of the 0 to 10K per month journey is for you to get started on YouTube, okay? You have been waiting, you've been fearful, you've been nervous, you've been scared, whatever it is. Now is the time to do it. The changes that are coming up in January, which is just 2 months away, you could start making money, substantial money from your YouTube Shorts, but you got to create content now. You can't wait until January to start doing it because you're going to need like 1,000 subscribers. I think that's the threshold, but you got to start now. Now is the time. Don't wait 2 months. Don't wait 2 weeks. Start creating content now. In the private Discord, you see the niche that I'm in. You actually see the channel. You see my Pinterest and my TikTok accounts as well. So what I'm doing, just to give you a little setup and overview, all my content, I have a TikTok account, I have a Pinterest account. Those 2 accounts are leading to my YouTube channel. And then within my YouTube channel, I am planning to monetize with the YouTube Partner Program once I get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours the traditional way, and if and when I meet the YouTube Shorts method. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not clear exactly what that is. I also plan on monetizing with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. I also plan on monetizing by offering a low front end course of some sort, or a low front end guide or blueprint or something along those lines. That product is going to be somewhere between $5 and $47 to get a list of buyers. I also am planning on monetizing with sponsorships and brand deals. That's when I work with different companies and, I give them a shout out. I do an ad at the beginning or middle of the video. Those are the monetization strategies that I plan to implement on this new channel to help me make money. So that is a brief overview of what I am planning to do. So far, my process has been upload at least 1 YouTube short every single day. And I've also uploaded 4 long form videos over the week. Now, the long form videos have been a mixture of unboxing videos. There are also review videos that I'll sprinkle in there as well. So I'm doing a good content mix. And the short videos obviously are less than a minute. The long form content is anywhere between like 10 minutes and 30 minutes. I'm going to upload 30 minutes on that channel as well. And what I do is just simple overviews. Now, let's talk about what I'm seeing so far. If you look on my screen here, I think I'm just going to post it on my left or my right. I have received 3.4 thousand views. I have 18 hours of watch time, and I've earned 7 subscribers, and this is within the last month. So really, the last 2 weeks, I've really focused on uploading. The first 2 weeks were setting up the foundations and the systems, like setting up the email autoresponder, getting a lead magnet, getting a logo, getting all the stuff required to get up and going. Okay. So that was the foundation of the first 2 weeks. The second 2 weeks, I've really focused on uploading, and as I mentioned, 3.4 thousand views, which is really good. Most of those views are YouTube Shorts, 18 hours of watch time. Again, most of that's going to be YouTube Shorts, 7 subscribers. Now, for me, as a marketer, subscribers are important with regard to YouTube Partner Program. Subscribers aren't important if we're monetizing with affiliate marketing, if we're monetizing in some of the other ways that I planned. So subscribers is kind of not like a great indicator, but it's something to be aware of. Now that we've talked about that, let's talk about some of my views. Now, my most viewed video right now has 1,282 views. It was a YouTube short. The second video, 1,139 views. Again, that's YouTube short. In fact, my 10 most viewed videos are all YouTube shorts. So this should tell you, brand new channels getting pushed like crazy with YouTube shorts. You want to create YouTube short content. YouTube short content is also pushing my long form content. So people are watching my shorts and then watching my long form content as well. So what I plan on doing for the next week, we're going to go into week 5. I'm going to continue uploading YouTube shorts every single day, all 7 days. And I can schedule those out, which is awesome. I'm also going to continue to upload 4 long form videos per week. Those long form videos are going to range between 10 minutes and 30 minutes. Okay. Now, again, I'm doing this so that we can grow together. If you're waiting to start a YouTube channel, this is your call to action. This is for you to get up and running so that you can start your YouTube channel and have everything you need in place so that you can be ready to monetize come January. I think January is going to be a game changer for a lot of people, and you don't want to wait until January to jump on board, because I think by then it's going to be too late. But if you have a foundation of YouTube shorts up and running, if you've already gained 1,000 subscribers, that's going to be awesome for you. That's going to be your benefit. So again, subscribe to this channel if you want to see how I progress over the next 48 weeks, because I'm going to reveal everything. When I make my first dollar with the YouTube Partner Program, how much I make every single month, you're going to see it all. And if you want an exclusive back office, you want to see the emails that I write, you want to see, if I get any brand deals or sponsorships, if you want to see the $5 product that I create, join the Discord, because that's where all of that information is going to be. And as I've mentioned over the last few videos, I'm really going to turn this into a course. So what may happen is I have 52 of these. I might just pull all of this down after the 52 weeks and turn this into a course where someone can go step by step and know exactly what they need to do every single week. So I encourage you to follow along, subscribe, and share this with anyone that wants to start a YouTube channel but doesn't know where to start. So watch the first video, watch week 0 to learn exactly what I'm doing and how I am going about going from 0 to 10K per month with a brand new YouTube channel.